Yeah, man. Welcome, it's J Mac the Jeweler, baby. Just came to show you guys some new products, man. Some products we got going down. The first piece is, let me get it. Let me get it right. This is platinum. Go ahead and show you guys the gallery. This ain't that lab made shit. This ain't that bullshit. I'm showing my face so you niggas know what it is, man. J Mac the Jeweler, J Mac the Jeweler, J Mac the motherfucking Jeweler. Shout out to Big John, Ben Baller, TV Johnny, been fucking with them for years. The second cross, you understand what I'm saying? This is 14 karat white gold. Beautiful gallery. But come on, man. Let's be real about this shit, man. Stop selling that lab-made bullshit, baby. Come on, man. Earrings, come on, man. You already know. Stop selling that bullshit, man. Get your game up, man. Courtesy out to BlueNile.com. Check out BlueNile.com. I am one of the highest jewelers there. Check that out for me. You know what I'm saying? Stop buying that bullshit, man. That shit's brass, man. With a heavy-ass plate on it, man. You understand me? Stop buying that shit, man. Come on, let's get real, man. You want to go out here and stunt, man? Don't be no punk, man. You know? Come on, man. You don't fuck with ballers on a budget, man. You mad because you can't cash out like me. Come on, man. My nigga Turf Talk said it the best, man. Come on, man. We West Coast niggas, man. Huh? Nigga, yeah, nigga. Huh? I get respect, nigga. From Seattle to motherfucking North Carolina, nigga. Stop selling that bullshit, nigga. Actually show your motherfucking face, nigga. On your motherfucking videos, all you niggas. You dig what I'm saying? Royal Fresh Jewelry, nigga. Fuck that shit, nigga. Boy, nigga. Yeah, I knew you was a scam, boy. Yeah. Yeah, nigga, show your motherfucking face, nigga. Yeah.